back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve for the angles of parallelograms using the properties of parallelograms. So right here, we have our parallelogram, and we are given two angles. We are given our top right angle, which is 6x plus 9 degrees, and our bottom right angle, which is 4x plus 18 degrees. And what we want to do is we want to find the value of x as well as the value of all the angles in this parallelogram. So to do that, well, let's first say what we know. We know that a property of parallelograms is that vertical slash opposite angles are the same. Meaning if this angle, our bottom right angle, is 4x plus 18, then its opposite angle, our top left angle here, this would also be 4x plus 18 degrees. And the same goes for this angle. If our top right angle is 6x plus 9 degrees, then the opposite angle to this, our bottom left angle, this would also be 6x plus 9 degrees. So now that we know that, another property of parallelograms is that consecutive angles are, the sum of consecutive angles is equal to 180 degrees. Meaning that the sum of these two angles, 6x plus 9 and 4x plus 18, or the sum of these two angles, which are literally the same thing, 4x plus 18 and 6x plus 9, these two are the same. Same goes horizontally, 4x plus 18, 6x plus 9, and down here too, 6x plus 9 and 4x plus 18. So the sum of consecutive slash supplementary, because remember, two angles that are supplementary to each other equal 180. So these two angles are supplementary as well as these two. And these two are literally the same thing as these two angles, just in different orders. So let's add these two angles up and set them equal to 180 degrees. So we're going to write 4x, plus 18 plus 6x plus 9 equals 180. So now that we know that, this is a simple equation that we can solve. 4x plus 6x is 10x. I'm going to write this down here. Plus 18 plus 9 is 27, and this equals to 180. So if we subtract 27 on both sides, we get 153 is equal to 10x. And if we divide by 10 on both sides, we get that x is equal to 15.3. So now that we know our value of x, we could simply plug this in to our angles here. So if we plug in x here for 6x plus 9, we get, I'm going to plug this into a calculator, 100.8. So if this angle is 100.8 degrees, that means that this angle is 100.8 degrees as well. And now let's plug in 15.3 for 4x plus 18. So I'm also going to use a calculator to solve this to save time. So if this angle is 79.2 degrees, then so is this angle, because these two are vertical angles. So now we found the value of x using these two angles, as well as the value of all our angles in this parallelogram. So this is how you use the properties of parallelograms to solve for angles.